Dr. Sagar Dombe. I'm an orthodontist. I'm a consultant for last 10 years and I'm a clinician as well. I would like to give you a few instructions which you should follow once you have braces. It's very important to brush well when you have braces. Otherwise, there will be white spot lesions all over your teeth. To brush, you're supposed to put your brush from the top side of the brace, push it slightly in, make sure your bristles are touching braces, gums and teeth everywhere, and do small round movements. Make sure whatever is stuck in there gets loose and gets off when you rinse. Similar movements you're supposed to perform from the downside side of the brace. Do not hesitate to directly brush on the brace itself. It is not going to break. Even if it breaks, you do not worry about it. We can refix it. But you keep brushing well. Every time you have something you're supposed to brush, not necessarily with paste. Paste twice a day, morning and evening. Rest all the time, only brushing is sufficient. Second instruction is regarding the poking, which invariably happens if you have braces. There are some sharp edges in the braces which are called hooks, which may hurt you. How you supposed to take care? You're supposed to put some wax coating around that. There is a molding wax like this which comes, you can mold it in a ball shape and put on the hurting part. Just press it there, keep it there for a day's time. After one day you can throw out the chewing gum or throw out the wax. Alternatively, you can always use chewing gum if wax is not available. After one day it won't hurt you. Why? Your tissues are adapted to the situation and they are no more hurting. You can always have slightly warm water rinses along with some salt in it. It will help soothing your tissues. With the braces on, you expect some discomfort. Definitely discomfort is not so much that you should sit at home and leave your work. You can continue your work, but there will be a minor niggle which is bothering you. You can take help of simple painkillers like Crocin once a day or twice a day. One tablet in the morning, one in the evening for 2 days, that should pay it. If you have pain sustained for weeks, you can report to your doctor. With the braces on, it's very important to choose what you are eating. You're basically supposed to avoid anything hard and sticky. Something like chicky, ice candy, ice, non-veg, this stuff you avoid. If you want to have non-veg, you can have it. You can have gravy, of course. You can have soft pieces, you can have keema, but definitely nothing with bone. Regular food stuff you can have as usual, like roti, sabji, chapati, dal chawal, phal, everything you can have. Fruits, if you want to have, you can cut them and have them. Fruits like apple, pear, have them in small pieces, no issues. Dry fruits you want to have, chop them, cut them, crush them, and preferably have them milkshake. If you follow this, nothing should go wrong.